Google just released its biggest update ever, and it is Gemini 3.5 Flash. And this is the level of websites that you can create with Gemini 3.5 Flash. As you see, all of these animations, this testimonial section, this cube right here, and this section, and this color animation, and also this sleek website, as you see. All of this can be created with Gemini 3.5 Flash. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how can you create amazing websites like these using Gemini. Let's get into it. So first things first, we need to find some inspiration, because AI works best by seeing references. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of this reference and I'm going to pass it to ChatGPT to redesign it. So I'm just going to pass it to ChatGPT and write, "Can you redesign this website and make it look better?" And it's going to redesign this website because GPT Image 2 is the best model for redesigning and doing image changes. So I'll be back once it finishes the changes. Okay, so it freaked out a little bit and said, "We are sorry, but the image created might violate our guardrails." And I said, "Bro, it's my own." And then we got this design which looks pretty amazing. And what we're going to do right now is we need GPT to give us the background image, and we're going to animate it so that it looks pretty cool. So I can just type in, "Can you please give me the background for the hero section?" And I'm gonna make it the background only for the hero section. So it should give us the image behind right here. So I'll be waiting for it to give us this image. Okay, so it gave us two options. I think I'm gonna go with this. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna animate this image. So what I'm going to do is go to Magnific. I was just creating some background. So we're gonna go to Magnific, which was called Free Pick before. And what we're gonna do is that we're going to choose CDance 2.0 model, which is this. And we're going to add the image as the start image and also add it as the end image because we want it looping. And then we're going to type in the prompt, animate this, and make it noticeable. And what we're going to do now is that we're going to generate. I'm just waiting for it to upload, and then we will generate. Okay, let's generate. So it's going to animate the background for us, and once it finishes, I will come back. Okay, so I'm back. I'm just going to do some stuff until it finish, and I'm just gonna get the design that we got right here. I'm gonna add it to my computer, and then I'm going to go to Gemini and make sure that you choose Gemini 3.5 Flash as your default. And then I'm gonna paste this image, and I'm going to tell it, "Can you create this hero section text and content only, or can you create this hero section without a background image? You can keep it black for now, or let's say can keep it as a color for now, and create every part of the hero section such that it's identical to the image." Okay, I'm just gonna build it. And so I'm waiting for two things right now. I'm waiting for Google to finish this design for the hero section, and I'm waiting for the video to generate. Once they finish, I'll come back and show you the results. Okay, so it came up with the results, and the results are insane actually. Like, I didn't imagine that it will come up with the animations for this. Like, it has an orbit like this, and it has these currencies moving, which looks pretty good actually. But I think let's try it in full screen. Maybe we can spot some mistakes. Yeah, so basically here it's the width of this section is larger than this section, which does not look that good. And maybe let me actually show you the original design. Like, this is the original design, and it looks pretty much like it. Looks pretty much like this. And with just maybe some minor differences, but that's pretty cool. And So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to replace the hero background with the video that we got. So let's see the video that we got. We see this video. This video is looking amazing. And I'm just going to copy the URL, click on share, copy to clipboard, and then we're going to write in can you change the background for the hero section to be that video. Number 2, can you make the hero section 100 VH, which means that it should be the same height of the screen of the user, and such so that it looks better. The width of this thing, these things right here, I'm just gonna copy them, of section is larger than the section above it. And let's see what that comes up with. I'm actually not sure if it's going to look good on the 100 VH, but let's try to do it like this and see what it comes up with. I'm just gonna pause until we finish the Gemini 3.5 Flash finish, and then we're gonna come back. Thank you. Okay, so basically I think it didn't add my video, or it could have added it, but there is something above it, and actually this section right here is smaller than this section on bigger screens, which is what I wanted. But I think I need to reiterate again over the orbit thing. I don't want it, and I'm going to see what's the problem with this. Let's just prompt our way through it. I still don't see the looping video, and I still see an orbit or the animated orbit that you created. Okay, and yeah, we can just do this, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so I think yeah, we see our video and our animations right here. You see, this looks pretty cool. As you see, right now what we can do is actually I just want to make sure that it's responsive, so I'm just going to click on mobile. Yes, it's responsive. And what we can do now to test out the power of Gemini 3.5 Flash is ask it to generate the rest of the sections. Can you please generate the rest of the sections? I'm going to show you how beautiful they are gonna look. So I'm just going to wait for it and come back to you. Okay, so it generated the rest of the sections. So let's see how does it look. Oh, it disappointed me. But the rest of the sections looks pretty good. The rest of the sections look pretty good. So what we're gonna do is we can just take this and we're going to say this section is overlapping with the section before it. Okay, and we're going to wait and see how it fixes this. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it for now and come back. So it did finish. Let's see. Oh my god, it removed the background video for some reason, but the rest of the sections look pretty cool. But I can just say I cannot see the video in the hero section anymore. Let's say the looping video in the hero section anymore, and let's see what does it come up with. Okay, so let's see the fix. Okay, so the video is back again, and we see these items and particles right here. So and we can see the rest of the sections. They look cool. So yeah, And that's it for today. I hope you really enjoyed the videos, and I will be posting more tutorials about AI web design. And all in all, Gemini 3.5 Flash is pretty good in design, but it does some dumb mistakes that could have been avoided altogether. So, if you want to use Gemini 3.5 Flash, make sure you use it properly and make sure that you are aware of any small bugs that it might cause in the middle. Thank you so much for watching.